How the stock market works. Simple guide for beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our practical money tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics in finance, the stock market. So, what exactly is it? What's its purpose? And most importantly, how can you take advantage of it? Let's get into it. First things first, let's define what the stock market actually is. In simple terms, the stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of a share as a small piece of ownership in a business. So when you buy stock in a company, you're essentially becoming a partial owner of that company. Now, how does this work in practice? There are two main places where stock is bought and sold. The primary market, where companies first sell shares to the public, and the secondary market, which is where most of the buying and selling takes place after that. A popular example would be the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. Now that we know what the stock market is, let's talk about what it's for. Why do we even have a stock market in the first place? Well, for companies, the stock market provides a way to raise money. Instead of taking out a loan from a bank, a company can sell shares to the public to fund its growth, projects, or operations. This is called equity financing. For investors, the stock market offers a way to grow wealth. By buying shares, you can make money in two main ways. 1. Capital appreciation. If the value of the company increases, so does the value of your stock. You can sell it at a profit. 2. Dividends. Some companies pay regular dividends to their shareholders, which is like getting a small piece of the company's profits. Alright, now let's get into the exciting part. How can you take advantage of the stock market to make money? Let me break it down for you with some clear, practical steps. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you invest a single penny, it's important to learn the basics. That means understanding key concepts like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. There are plenty of free resources out there, from YouTube videos to blogs, and even apps that help you track your progress. Step 2. Start small and diversify. If you're new to investing, don't go all in right away. Start with small investments and spread them across different stocks or sectors. This is called diversification, and it helps reduce risk. For example, instead of investing everything into one company, invest in a few different industries like tech, healthcare, and finance. Step 3. Understand risk. Every investment comes with risk. The stock market can be volatile, meaning prices can go up and down quickly. But over the long term, investing in solid companies tends to pay off. It's important to evaluate risk tolerance, how much loss you're willing to endure, and make sure you're comfortable with it. Step 4. Use index funds and ETFs for simplicity. If you're overwhelmed by picking individual stocks, consider investing in index funds or ETFs. These funds automatically invest in a variety of stocks, helping you diversify without having to pick them yourself. One popular option is the S&P 500 Index Fund, which tracks the top 500 U.S. companies. Step 5. Think long-term. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's all about making wise decisions and being patient. Successful investors often have a long-term strategy, meaning they hold onto their stocks for years. The more time your investments have to grow, the better your chances of seeing significant returns. Here's a simple example of how the stock market works over time. Let's say you invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Over the years, the value of your investments rises steadily due to the growth of those companies. This is the power of compounding. Your money earns more money, and that earns even more. So, to wrap it up, the stock market is a place where you can buy and sell ownership in companies. It helps companies raise money and offers investors the chance to grow their wealth. To take advantage of it, start small, diversify, and focus on the long term. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating at first, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Always remember to do your own research, and if you're ever unsure, consider speaking with a financial advisor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this gave you a clearer understanding of how the stock market works and how you can start using it to your advantage. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and comment below with any questions you have. Also, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay smart with your money.